So this is kind of like half of the stuff that we got from the camping stuff. To my dad's house. I'm so excited to go down there and see them. It's been way too long. He lives about 3 hours down south.
It's been like a million years since we've seen it.
Well, we've seen them and we've spent the day, but it's been a long time since we've been down there to stay the night. Yeah. He also has one of our puppies, so I'm really excited to see their dog Cash. That'll be fun. So long story short, I usually take one specific way down to my dad's house. That's the one way that I know. I don't know any other way to get down there. And let me just throw this into, I'm horrible at directions. And so the one way that I'm going, it sends me onto a detour because that one road is closed. I take like the back road, country roads until I get on the highway. So I enter it in my GPS and it tells me to get off on the first exit. So I get off on the first exit, and as soon as I'm getting off, I see a little orange sign that says keep going on the highway for the detour. And so now I have no idea where I'm at. Thank goodness that I have my phone for a GPS, or else I would have no clue where to go, no clue where I'm going. Oh, it says an hour and 55 minutes until we get to his house, roughly. But at least we're stocked up on snacks. We're stocked up on stuff to do with books and drawing stuff. No, babe, we still got another 2 hours to drive. Usually it's about a 3-hour drive, but I went way out of the way, and now I'm like, I was panicking a little bit because I have no idea where I'm going. This is creepy.
Why?
I have no idea where I am at.
Still don't know?
No.
Well, I wish you didn't say that because I forgot about that. We're almost there.
Dalen, no. We still have another hour. I have no idea where I'm at. It's taking me through these creepy old town junkyard. I probably got a body buried in the backyard kind of houses.
Yeah, there was a body buried in
Look at that cemetery.
What?
That's an old cemetery.
Where?
Right there.
Whoa. House. No, it's the lake.
Whoa, you're in a mailbox, Tay.
Someone tapped me in
Here. Someone tacked me in here.
Hey, shut up.
Come here, Tay.
Oh, yeah,
Do they shut this at all? The lid?
yeah. See that rope? It's connected to that.
It's such like a cool like little shop area. I love that building that's off of that.
couple hours. We have just been like out, as you saw, we went downtown. They have like the largest like rocking chair, the largest pencil. They have such cool stuff downtown where my dad and stepmom live. So we've just been hanging out. We went out to dinner, so I have not been able to pick up the camera, but we are sitting outside right now, and it is the cutest thing to see Cash and the kids play together. And then I think the plan for tomorrow is we're going to go to church, we're going to go see my grandparents and hang out for a little bit, and then we will make the 3-hour drive back home.
Attorney, and he said, I have one for the process, and I have to show He's so huge, this tall.
He is big. So I did not pull out my camera hardly at all, other than like little clips.
He's this little, and now he's this tall.
He is pretty big. We are on our way to go back into Charleston, where my brother lives, my grandpa lives, and my grandma. She's in a therapy right now, so we're gonna take, today's my brother's birthday, so we're gonna take the birthday cake and go see her and kind of celebrate his birthday with her there. Yeah, Uncle Caleb's birthday. So we're on our way. I did not hardly vlog at all. I just wanted to kind of hang out with them and spend time with them, but I did pull my camera out to record some little moments. So we're just gonna be having lunch and celebrating, and then we're gonna be leaving from Charleston to make the 3-hour drive back home. So, all right, we are finally almost, what is wrong with this? We are finally almost back home. I have a little girl that is very, very ready to get out of the truck, but I think as long as my GPS is taking me the right way, I should have a little shortcut, like literally it's like a little U to go around the road closure, where before it took me an hour out of the way. So instead of taking 4 hours to get there, it's only taking me 2.5 hours to get home. I am starting this out way later than I wanted to. My mom ended up dropping off some camping stuff. Her friend, my mom is a teacher, and so they do their classroom in like a themed decor kind of thing. So one of her friends had camping stuff, and now she's redoing her classroom. So my mom brought all of that stuff home. My mom brought all of that stuff to our house because that's kind of what Dalton's room is. It's like camping, adventure, outdoor, woodsy, lumberjack, all combined in one. So we're gonna work on that today, getting some of that, some of those decorations up. I also bought some picture frames and a new rug and some curtains. So a lot of like little piddly stuff we need to do, but I'm out in my garage right now trying to figure out where I have screws. I guess these will work. So my kids have been okay, I guess. They've been a little crabby. I swear I can hear them fighting. So this is kind of like half of the stuff that we got from the camping stuff. We got these paddles, these signs, this little rug. So we have to figure out where to put it all. Do you still want this flag in there, or do you want that flag?
I want to take it down.
You want to take it down?
Yeah, because I don't want to think that goes with
What, baby?
Draw.
Draw what?
Dalton's room.
Oh, for ideas?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll set that right on the bed if we need to draw that. So, okay, let's get this situated.
Okay, if you want to keep in your room, just tell me.
I made him that, and I also made him that a long time ago.
I broke the screen out of the watch.
We're always taking stuff. Yeah, that's not gonna work.
What?
He's taking his little teeth and nibbling at your carpet. No.
Okay.
This is why I can't have nice stuff. Little boy.
Out of here.
Little
That's why I
boy.
have my garbage can right
Chef.
there. Oh,
Chef.
cool. All these diamonds.
Were you trying to eat the carpet? Chef.
Awesome. All my diamonds.
Your little eye.
Mom, all these diamonds came out.
Please be careful, buddy. Alright, what else?
I'm just
Okay.
always destroying old stuff.
I know you are. Okay, so I think...
Oh, the other way to do it was just do this and crush into it.
You need a bigger garbage. Got your own little campsite in
Yep.
here.
It's awesome.
Fix your rug, buddy. All right, we got Dalton's room pretty much all finished. We got a lot of the decorations put up. So these, a lot of that, as I said before, came from my mom's friends. So lucky that we have a lot of this stuff. These I got from Menards.
Don't feed the bears.
Yeah, that was one of the signs we got. He's got his little calendar up here now. I made that. I made that. I'm actually gonna make the
Jay,
there's-
get out of my bed.
Can you please stop? You guys have been going at it. Look at me, look at me.
Golden map.
You guys have been going at it all morning. He's asked you to stay out of his bed. And if you cannot listen, then you have to get out.
Get out.
So you're not, let me handle it. Dalen, get out of his bed, please. I will handle it, so stop.
You probably know what it feels like.
Alright, so my next little project is trying to get curtains hung up. I also need to hang up picture frames. I had these picture frames. Look how cute Dalton is. His little guitar, or whatever that is. I had those picture frames going up here, and I think one of the kids reached around and knocked off like 3 or 4 of the picture frames, and they broke. So I ended up finding these at Walmart, and I'm trying to stick to a thinner frame because that's more modern. So I have these picture frames, and then I kept a lot of my filtered pictures. I have a preset. Basically, I have a filter or a preset that I bought that I put on every single one of my pictures. That gives it like a theme whenever you upload it to Instagram. That way when you look through, like when you see Instagram pages that have, like all their pictures have the same filter on it, they're using a preset. And so I think I got it on Etsy, and it was like $2, and it was very like, it had like deep rich tones but very bright white, and I thought about switching it, but I used those pictures that I had that really nice preset on, the filter on. I printed those pictures out, and so I'm gonna go ahead and get these pictures printed, or these pictures put in these frames.
it has been a couple hours. We had dinner and I picked up the house really quick. I try to pick up the house every morning and every night because it gets that messy. Everyone leaves their stuff out. So being consistent with picking a house up, and it's not like, okay, Monday, Wednesday, Friday I pick up the house. It is literally every morning and every night, and that gives me that peace of mind that when I wake up in the morning the house is gonna be clean, because when I can start out my day with a clean house, it like sets the whole mood for the day. I know that sounds ridiculous, but I'm very like OCD about everything has a spot, everything has to be in that spot or I cannot function kind of thing. So Miss, you have some crumbs on your lips.
I said you want some. Okay.
You may not eat my camera. Thank you though. Thank you though. You may not eat my camera. No, you may not.
Callie, I see her.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No!
Stop.
Are you kidding me?
Someone's in here. Look out the window. Look out.
No, you cannot. No. No. What are you doing?
Ew!
No.
Eat that thing.
No. Hazel, stop licking my clothes. Girlfriend.
Me.
What are you doing, baby girl? Hmm? Oh no, Chef just ate chicken food. Do you think he's gonna turn into like a chicken?
No.
No? Alright, well,
What?
it is about time. Hold on. Hold on. It is about time for us to go inside. The sun's going down. My camera battery is about to die. So thank you again so much for hanging out with us today. And we will see you guys soon. Bye.